Here's a regular tubular lock. Putting in the key and turning it will show you how the lock turns. The lock is the black thing in the center. First, you take the tension wrench, which is shaped like an L. You insert the wrench into the keyhole, where the pins start to show. Here's the important part. You must keep a slight torque on the wrench all the time. The torque must be kept in the direction the key will turn. Notice the tension on the wrench is kept throughout the process. You then take the rake pick, which is used to randomly rake the pins so that as many of the pins would jump into place as possible. You insert the rake and brush the pins, pushing the rake downwards all the time. You then take the half diamond pick to pick the specific pins that didn't fall into place with the rake. Insert the pick and push downwards, gradually moving from the deepest pin to the one nearest to the keyhole. Keeping the tension wrench pushed is the key to opening the lock. Finally, you will feel that the tension wrench is loose and you can use it to push the cylinder and open the lock.